Hey, here we go. All right, it's lab day. You need to know the setup. All right, let's just get right to the equipment. Read, think about it, reread, think about it, and understand English. Read, it's written down. Here's the launcher. Very simple, very straightforward. First thing, you got a plumb bob hanging off the back, okay? So as I tilt this up, plumb bob hangs down and I read the angle it's tilted at. That's how I'm going to address this. This will be mounted to the bench. All right, the tabletop is going to go between this and here. Adjust it vertically. It should be already on there. This wing nut right here, all right, this wing nut, that's what you're going to adjust and loosen. Now, if you will notice, the wing nut is directly behind this bolt. This bolt pivots up, pivots down, but since this bracket is mounted, this whole thing moves, the bolt stays still. You are going to need to know this bolt is the top of the cliff where your person is. Directly below here on the ground is your 0, 0. Okay? Mark it. Use it. Measure from it. You need the height. You're going to measure distance over and over and over. We're going to launch this at different things. All right. Launcher, you have on top, you have your ball bearing. Ball bearing loads onto the launcher. All right. On top, you have the fixed nut and a spring. It's going to move back and forth. You're going to press this in. Put the ball bearing on there. Don't put your thumb on that little thing. Put the ball bearing on there. To press this, you're going to raise the bottom. Now it's down. Up, down, up, down. You're going to raise it, and those two are going to latch. I'm going to take that off. Okay. Take the ball bearing off so we don't actually fire. Rotate. Like, there we go. So if I drop this down, where are we at? Fine. I'm trying to do this so you can see. By pulling this down, the spring is released, ball fires. Okay, ball fires, goes that way. I'm doing this all in reverse in the camera. That's how you launch it. Change the angle, reload, repeat. Change the angle, reload, repeat. Data collection goes fast on this experiment. Data collection goes fast on the experiment. You have 90 minutes. Get your data done. How do you collect the data? Balls are going to be flying across the floor. One person's entire job should be to be a backstop and nothing gets past them. The ball is coming out. Don't stare down the barrel of this. That's dangerous. Loaded or unloaded. Don't look at that. Don't poke your eye out. Okay. How do we record data? Carbon paper. All right. This is like a receipt. Or back in the day, you would put a piece of paper, carbon paper, another piece of paper. When you feed this in a typewriter, boom, 2 for 1. What? Okay. This is carbon paper. Do not put tape on this. Do not put tape on this. It ruins this sheet. And guess what? Typewriters aren't around. So this stuff is rare and not easy to get a hold of. Don't put tape on this. What you can do is put scrap paper taped to the floor or a roll of paper towels stretched out across the floor. Tape that down. Lay this on top. What's going to happen is the ball is going to fall on here. It falls on here, and then I'm left with a mark on the paper underneath. All I have to do is measure to that mark from my 0, 0 on the ground. Guess what? Don't measure each one. It's 30 degrees. Take 3 shots in a row. 1, 2, 3. Lift the carbon paper up, mark them 1, 2, 3, and then put the carbon paper down. Change the angle, 3 more shots. Label them, because not all these shots, don't let them overlap. Take 3 more shots, and then you could do all your measuring all at once, really fast. Okay? Take a couple shots. Don't measure each individual shot. All right. That should be it. My time is about to be up on this. I will have another. That was the equipment. You're ready. Follow the other video.